math. Okay, and question says that the diagram shows part of the curve y equal x square plus 1. Find the volume obtained when the saddle region is rotated through 360 degree about the y-axis. Okay, so when question asks us about y-axis, that time we have to use this formula, and when question asks x-axis, that time we have to use this formula. Okay, so since this is y-axis, that is why we have to use this formula, and here x square, right, x square dy, and there is a part of curve is y equal x square plus 1. Okay, since this is x square, that is why from this equation we have to make x square subject. So x square subject, it will be y minus 1. Okay, and this is pi, just copy, and y1, this is y, so that is why limit will be y, y1 and y2, y1 here 1 and y2 here 5, right? So 1 and 5, and x square is y minus 1 and dy. Okay, and pi is just copy, and now we're gonna integrate this, and if I integrate y with respect to dy, it will be y square by 2 and minus 1 minus minus. If I integrate 1 with respect to y, it will be y. Okay, and there will be limit 1 and 5. Okay, and then this is pi, just copy, and then what will be this 5 here, 5 is square, 2 minus minus minus, and 5 5, and bracket close, and formula minus, and this one will be here 1 square and 2 and minus, and 1 is replacing y, it will be 1. Okay, and pi just copy, and 5 5 25 by 2 minus 5. Okay, minus, it will be simplifying it, it will be minus 1 by 2, and this is pi, and simplifying these total things, it will be 15 by 2, minus minus plus half. Okay, and if I simplify total things, it will be pi 16 by 2, or pi 8 pi, right? 16 divided by 2, it will be 8, so 8 pi. Okay, so total result we got 8 pi. Okay, so thank you very much.